Welcome back to another Samsung Galaxy A72 video, guys. Just yesterday we started talking about this phone and today we have the caseless renders of the same. Samsung Galaxy A72 5G has surfaced in all its glory, courtesy of OnLeaks and Voice. Previously we saw the case renders of the A72 5G and now the actual images are here. Now remember that the A72 and the A72 5G will be the same devices for the most part, but will likely have a different chipset only. So the outlook is going to be the same, everything else is going to be the same on these phones. Anyways, if you look at the front, nothing seems to have changed much from the Samsung Galaxy A71. The bezels are still notable, the bottom chin is quite notable, just like the last year's A71 and more like the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition from this year. If you look at the camera punch hole on the front, it is quite small. The wallpaper on the screen looks cool too, but I am not sure if this will actually be the real wallpaper of this phone. Anyways, if we take a look at the back, you can see that there is a slight protrusion in the camera module. The camera module looks like the Galaxy S20 FE's module. It's really good to see the looks of flagships making their way to the mid-range phones like the Galaxy A72. However, if you look at the back design, which looks like plastic, has the same geometric pattern as the Galaxy A71 had. The design looks the same to me, only the camera module looks different here. You can also see that there are 4 cameras at the back. The main camera is expected to be a 64 megapixels shooter, a 12 megapixels ultra wide, a 5 megapixels macro, and a depth sensor is expected at the back. You can see that there are the volume and the power buttons on the right side, the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary mic and the headphone jack at the bottom, and like the A71, its fingerprint scanner will be underneath the display. There is no word on the chipset of this phone yet, but the Exynos 1080 is already out and there is the Snapdragon 765 G2. Both these chipsets are 5G capable. Since Samsung will be using the Snapdragon 750G on the Galaxy A52 5G, it is obvious that the A72 will use a better and a newer chipset. So I am personally expecting this phone to either use the Exynos 1080 or the Snapdragon 765G chipset, but only the time will tell what we will get in the end. Galaxy A71 was released in December last year. There is no word on the official release of the A72, but looking at the trend suggests us that this device can come out anytime in the coming few days. So with our fingers crossed, we should patiently wait for the A72 and expect some massive improvements from Samsung. I am really excited for the Galaxy A72 and the A72 5G. I am in fact planning a video in which I'll be putting up my wish list about the Samsung Galaxy A72. Let me know about your thoughts. What do you think about the leaked images? Also, let me know if you want me to make more such content on the channel. Hit the like button if you found this video useful and subscribe if you haven't yet. With that said, I will sign off and see you all in the next one.